Namaskar, this is Dr Mitali Dhanavade. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ayurveda with Dr Mitali. So today we are going to discuss benefits of cow ghee, rather miraculous benefits of cow ghee. In today's world where everyone is diet conscious and fitness freak, people avoid having ghee or oils or some fat preparations. Is it really good to cut off all the fats from your diet, or there is some alternative? Cow ghee is the best medicine for the people who suffer from digestive problems or who have weak digestive power. Cow ghee helps to balance excess pitta or vitiated pitta, and also people who suffer from high cholesterol levels also can have cow ghee as a medicine, because cow ghee has a property to reduce bad cholesterol and it contains some good cholesterol which helps maintaining cholesterol level in the body. So even high cholesterol people can have cow ghee. Rather, they should eat cow ghee as a medicine too. It also increases and maintains our physical and mental strength. And for kids, it acts as a best brain tonic or nourishes our brain. And having 1 teaspoon of cow ghee early in the morning gives strength to your muscles, bones, digestive power, tendons, and also helps to strengthen your eyesight too. And also I have mentioned benefits of cow ghee for your skin and hair in my earlier videos too. If you have not gone through those videos, I am going to attach the link in description box regarding same. Do not hesitate having cow ghee. It is not going to harm your cholesterol level. Rather, it will help you to reduce bad cholesterol and will help you to increase your good cholesterol levels. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you on next Friday. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.